Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm giving you handy guide to understand the data object model of Salesforce CPQ. So this will help you to understand the inside of the data object model that Salesforce CPQ offers. And whenever you have interview, you can refer this video. Uh, that will help you to understand quickly, and you can recap your memory, right? So let's go and get started. So the first object available in Salesforce CPQ is product object. So the purpose of this object is to represent the individual products and services that can be added to codes. So here are the key fields that we can find in product object: product code, a unique identifier for the product; product name, the name of the product family, product category or grouping; configuration type determines whether the product is standalone or part of a bundle; and price indicates if the price can be edited or not. And price book entry object. Purpose of this object is to associate product with the price book and define base pricing. The key fields are price book, the associated price book. This is a lookup field that tags the price book, and the product linked to the price book. Again, this is a lookup field to the product, and unit price, the price of the product, currency for the price. And quote object represents a customer specific request for pricing. Key fields are account, the customer associated with the quote; opportunity linked to the quotes; subtotal that will have tax; total, basically all the financial feeds for the quote; and status is current status of the quote. Example could be draft, approved, or whatever pick list fields we have defined for our quote object. And quote line object represents individual line items on a quote. Key fields are quote, the parent quote; product, the product being quoted; quantity, the quantity of the product; list price, base price per unit; net price, final price after discounts. And price rule object. So the purpose of this object defines rule for dynamically adjusting prices based on conditions. Key fields are conditions, the criteria for applying the rule; actions, the action to take when the rule is triggered, example the discount, markup; and evaluation scope determines whether the rule when the rule will be evaluated. And discount schedule object. Purpose manages volume based or tiered discount. Key fields, type of discount, example volume slab; price dimension, fields used for calculating discounts; breakpoints define the discount tiers based on the quantity or value. And product option object represents option in a product bundle. So whenever we have to create bundle, we use product options. Key fields are parent object, the product that contains the option product; the child product being offered as an option; quantity, default quantity for the option; required indicates if the option is mandatory or not. Configuration attribute objects. The purpose is to collect user input during the product configuration. Key fields are name, name of the attribute; data type, type of the input, example text, number, pick list; parent product, the product associated with the attribute. Contract and subscription objects. So contract object represents an agreement with the customer and offer generated form and approved code. Key fields are start date, end date, account, customer associated with the contract. And the subscription object tracks recurring items and services tied to a contract. Key fields, product quantity, and the price. Amendment and renewal objects. Amendment code used to modify existing contracts, links to original contracts, and update terms or products. And renewal code generates codes for renewing subscription and contracts, contains updated pricing and product configuration. So here you can see the relationship between the key objects. The product and price book country can have a multiple product can have multiple price book entries for different currencies or price book. Quote and quote. So let's see the relationship between the quote and quote line. A quote contains one or more quote lines representing the items being quoted. So one code can have multiple code lines, and product option again, one to many relationship, and we can a product can have multiple product option as a part of the bundle. Quote and opportunity. Quote is linked to a single opportunity representing its potential deal. Okay, so opportunity can have multiple quotes, right? So quote is a child object of the opportunity, and it's one to many relationship. And contract subscription, a contract is associated with multiple subscription for recurring services. So I hope this video will be informative for you and to understand. And just to recap, the data object model of CPQ that offers. And so I've just mentioned the key objects in the CPQ, and I'll be, preparing some more helpful videos for you to prepare for your interview. So thanks for connecting with me. I'll catch you up in my next video.